Hey everybody, Bobby Brown here, and today we have the Taurus M981 in 22 Magnum, courtesy of Mayberry Sporting Goods. This satin stainless steel 22 Magnum 7-shot double action revolver has a 12-inch barrel and comes in at a hefty 56.2 ounces. It has a fixed front sight and an adjustable rear sight, but this one has been equipped with a factory scope mount. The manufacturer's suggested retail price for this weapon in 2004 was $429.69. This weapon is no longer available from Taurus. Like all Taurus weapons, it has a lifetime warranty and is still serviced at the Taurus factory. Did I already say it was chambered in 22 Magnum? I think I did. This pistol was designed for long-range target shooting, so let's go see what we can do with it. Hey everybody, Bobby Brown here with a really cool product from Wildlife Research. This synthetic coon urine is great for hunting whitetail because it masks human scent. Let me demonstrate. Excuse me, ma'am. Can I smell your panties?
Of course not. What kind of woman do you think I am?
Oh, it must be your feet. Spray some of this on it. Bobby Brown, Guns and Drums. Always keep this pointed in a safe direction. All right, we've got some targets set up at 68 yards, 6 inches and 3 centimeters that we're going to try to knock down from a rest with this very heavy stainless steel pistol. Wow, what a great shooter. It has a great single action trigger, and as you can see, it's hard to miss with this bad boy.